Hey everybody, welcome back to Web Biz Market. Alright, so you're looking for ways to make money online, something you can do from anywhere on your own time? Let's be real, who isn't, right? Well, I stumbled across something pretty interesting, something most people don't even realize is a thing. We're talking about using Google Maps to generate some side hustle income. And get this, you could be looking at anywhere from 50 to 200 bucks a day. Sound too good to be true? Stick around. First things first, you gotta find businesses that need help. This might seem daunting at first, but trust me, it's easier than you think. Start by identifying the types of businesses that could benefit the most from your services. Think about local businesses in your area. Cafes, restaurants, small retail stores, and service providers like salons or gyms. These are the kinds of places that often struggle with maintaining a strong online presence. Think about it. When was the last time you searched for a restaurant or a store and it had zero information, no pictures, nothing? It's frustrating, right? You probably ended up choosing a different place that had more information available. This is a common issue for many small businesses. They either don't have the time, the knowledge, or the resources to manage their online profiles effectively. Probably made you scroll right past it, am I right? This is exactly what happens to countless potential customers every day. They skip over businesses with incomplete or outdated information, and those businesses lose out on valuable foot traffic and sales. This is where you can make a real difference. That's where you come in. Your job is to help these businesses shine online. By improving their digital presence, you can help them attract more customers and grow their business. It's a win-win situation. You get to build your portfolio and gain experience while they get the help they desperately need. We're talking about businesses with incomplete Google Maps profiles, outdated info, missing photos, the whole 9 yards. These are your people. Start by thinking local. Look for businesses in your neighborhood that could use a digital makeover. This way, you can easily visit them in person and build a relationship. Hit the streets, literally, walk around your neighborhood. Take a stroll and pay attention to the businesses you pass by. Do they have a strong online presence? Are their Google Maps profiles up to date? Do they have high-quality photos and accurate information? If not, these are the businesses you should target. Scope out cafes, shops, restaurants. You'll be surprised how many are lacking a solid online presence. Many small business owners are so focused on running their day-to-day operations that they don't have the time or expertise to manage their online profiles. This is where you can step in and offer your services. Don't forget to jot down what's missing. No website link, blurry photos. This is your in. Make a list of the businesses that need help and note down the specific issues with their online profiles. This will give you a clear idea of what needs to be done and how you can pitch your services to them. Remember, the more detailed and personalized your pitch, the more likely you are to land your first client. Okay, so you've found some businesses that need some TLC on their Google Maps profiles. These businesses might have outdated information, poor reviews, or even missing details that could be driving potential customers away. It's your job to help them see the value in having a polished and accurate online presence. Now comes the fun part, making contact. This is where you get to showcase your communication skills and start building a relationship. Whether you prefer to call or email, make sure your message is clear and professional. Introduce yourself and explain why you're reaching out. Listen, you don't need to be some sales guru, just keep it real. Authenticity goes a long way. People can tell when you're being genuine, and they're more likely to trust you if they feel you're being honest. Share your observations and offer your help in a friendly, non-pushy manner. Approach the owner, introduce yourself, and let them know you were checking out their place. Compliment their business and show that you've taken the time to understand what they do. This shows respect and genuine interest, which can help break the ice. Mention that you noticed their Google listing could use some love and that a strong online presence is key these days. Explain that having accurate and appealing information on Google Maps can significantly impact their business. Highlight the benefits of a well-maintained profile, such as attracting more customers and improving their reputation. Explain how people rely on Google Maps to find local businesses, and without up-to-date info, they're missing out on potential customers. Share some statistics or examples to back up your points. For instance, you could mention that a large percentage of consumers use Google Maps to find businesses near them, and having incorrect information can lead to lost opportunities. Be their solution, not the problem. Offer specific ways you can help improve their Google Maps profile. This could include updating their business hours, adding high-quality photos, responding to reviews, and ensuring all their information is accurate. Show them that you're not just pointing out problems, but you're also providing valuable solutions that can help their business grow. For example, you could help a local cafe by updating their business hours to reflect their new weekend brunch service, or assist a boutique by adding high-quality photos of their latest collection. You might help a dentist's office by responding to patient reviews, both positive and negative, to show they care about customer feedback. Another example could be updating the contact information for a plumbing service to ensure customers can easily reach them. Lastly, you could assist a fitness studio by adding a detailed description of their classes and services to attract more clients. By providing these specific examples and solutions, you demonstrate your expertise and the tangible benefits of your services. This not only builds trust, but also shows that you are proactive and ready to help their business thrive. Alright, so you've convinced a business owner to let you revamp their Google Maps listing. This is a great first step, but it's just the beginning. The real magic happens when you go beyond the basics and start adding those extra touches that make a listing truly stand out. Now it's time to wow them. Show them what a difference a well-optimized listing can make. This is your chance to demonstrate your expertise and creativity. Don't just stop at the basics, go above and beyond. Think about what unique elements you can bring to the table. Maybe it's a custom map pin, or perhaps it's a series of engaging posts that highlight the business's unique selling points. Offer additional digital marketing services to really make them stand out. This could include SEO optimization, social media management, or even email marketing campaigns. The goal is to create a comprehensive digital presence that drives traffic and converts visitors into customers. We're talking professional photos, maybe even a short promo video. High-quality visuals can make a huge difference in how a business is perceived online. Consider hiring a professional photographer or videographer to capture the essence of the business. Think about what would make you click on a listing: eye-catching visuals, customer reviews, accurate hours of operation. These elements build trust and make the listing more appealing. Encourage the business owner to gather and display positive customer reviews prominently. Become their one-stop shop for all things digital marketing. Offer solutions that address their specific needs and challenges. This could include website design, content creation, or even pay-per-click advertising. The more services you can provide, the more indispensable you become. Remember, the more value you offer, the more valuable you become. By providing a range of services, you position yourself as a trusted partner who can help the business grow and succeed. This not only strengthens your relationship with the client, but also opens up opportunities for long-term collaboration and referrals. So go the extra mile. Show your clients that you're not just about quick fixes, but about creating lasting, impactful changes. This is what sets you apart from the competition and ensures that your clients keep coming back for more. In the end, it's all about delivering exceptional value and exceeding expectations. When you do this, you not only help your clients succeed, but also build a reputation for excellence in your field. And that ultimately is the key to long-term success. Let's talk money. You're providing a valuable service, so don't be afraid to charge accordingly. Research what other freelancers in your area are charging for similar services. Consider offering packages: a basic package for updating essential info, a premium package that includes professional photos, and so on. Be transparent with your pricing and what's included in each package. Remember, you're running a business here, so make sure you're getting paid what you're worth. Here are 5 examples to help you set your rates. Example 1. A graphic designer might charge $100 for a basic logo, $250 for a standard logo, and $500 for a premium logo with multiple revisions. Example 2. A social media manager could offer a basic package for $300 per month, a standard package for $600, and a premium package for $1,000. Example 3. A web developer might charge $1,000 for a simple website, $2,500 for a more complex site, and $5,000 for an e-commerce site. Example 4. A content writer could charge $50 for a blog post, $150 for a detailed article, and $300 for a white paper. Example 5. An SEO specialist might offer a basic package for $500, a standard package for $1,000, and a premium package for $2,000. Use these examples as a guide, but always tailor your rates to reflect your unique skills and market demand. You've landed the client, set your rates, now it's time to deliver. And I'm not talking about just meeting expectations, I'm talking about blowing them out of the water. Go the extra mile, pay attention to detail, deliver high-quality work that exceeds their expectations. This is how you build a solid reputation and get those sweet referrals. Happy clients are your best marketing tool. For example, send personalized thank you notes to show appreciation. Offer a free additional service that complements what they paid for. Provide detailed reports that give them insights they didn't expect. Respond quickly to their inquiries to show you value their time. Schedule regular follow-up meetings to ensure they're satisfied and to address any concerns. These actions not only make clients happy, but also turn them into advocates for your business. So you've conquered your local neighborhood, businesses are lining up to work with you. Now what? Time to level up. Don't limit yourself to just one area or industry. Think bigger, branch out to different neighborhoods, explore new niches. The beauty of this hustle is that it's scalable. You can be the go-to Google Maps guru for businesses all over the city, state, maybe even the country. The possibilities are endless. For example, you could help a local coffee shop expand to multiple neighborhoods, assist a boutique store in reaching customers in nearby towns, support a real estate agent in showcasing properties across the city, guide a fitness trainer in attracting clients from different districts, or help a tech startup in targeting various business hubs. The opportunities are vast and varied. So there you have it. Your crash course on making money with Google Maps. It's all about hustle, adding value, and delivering results. If you're willing to put in the work, there's serious earning potential here. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful and subscribe to Web Biz Market for more money-making ideas. Until next time, happy YouTubing and take care. Web Biz Market.